Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm finally getting a chance to organize some of my Squishmallow. I got some furniture pieces that are really not that expensive, so we're going to break it all down. And if you want to watch me organize my collection, then this is the video for you. If you're new here, my name is Janie and I do videos on Squishmallow, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, and occasionally some hair care, skin care, and Loungefly. I have a hard time sticking to a niche. So this is going to be a work in progress that's been happening for a couple weeks now. If you want to watch more specific breakdowns on everything that's been going on and the true chaos of it all, I have a vlogging channel called Bunny Dreams where I've been showing you the building of this furniture and just the pitfalls that I've been running into. So let's just get started with the video. Alright, so starting off with this piece of furniture right here, the lighting is washing it out a little, but this is a baby pink furniture piece from Amazon. These pink baskets contain all my summer clothing, so crop tops, little sweaters, shirts like that. On top, I'm going to put some 12-inch Squishmallow. Starting off with Avery, I got them at the Walmart by the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. My friend took me there. Squishmallow hunting in Manhattan and in New York City in general is not easy for me. I really have a hard time finding the good stuff. Next, we're going to put Sophie, who is another Squishmallow. She's a little bit dirty just because this material attracts a lot of lint. I'm putting Balana next because I love my cows and I'm very grateful and lucky to have even found her to begin with. And then I'm going to put Paisley, who is another Fuzzlemallow. So these are Fuzzlemallows. I got them at Walmart at the same time. It's kind of a coincidence that I'm putting them all together, but like I said, this is temporary. Everything is subject to change. Then I'm going to put this little cutie right there, simply because I have nowhere else to put her. And there you have it. This is going to be our first setup, and now we're going to move on to the 3-shelf bookcase. Alright, next we're going to talk about this 3-shelf bookcase. I thought this was a reasonable price. Again, it was located in a kids section, but it fits the height of this room perfectly. So I'm going to put some of my other Squishmallows, 7.5 inches and a little bit bigger, in no particular order, just kind of what speaks to me. I'm not sticking necessarily to any themes or any collections, even though some of that kind of does seep in eventually. As of right now, this is going to be what I think is cute, what I have available, and so on and so forth. So for this one right here, I want to focus on my cows and my chickens just because I really love them. Also, the sheep is just really cute. This is from Claire's. This was their St. Patrick's Day one, and I really love it. So I'm going to tuck her right here, looking real cute. And then right next to her, I'm going to put this cow, Connor. This is the Easter version, one of the few cows that I have in my collection, and I'm in love with it. Next, we're going to put Charity. I absolutely love Charity. I love any kind of chickens in real life, and I love her floral pattern. So we're going to place her right there, and we are done with the first row. That was pretty easy. You know, if you follow me on the vlog channel, then you saw me do this and how stressed and just constantly changing my mind about things. But this is good. I have a hard time finding a way to put these because of their tail. It kind of just affects it. I'm going to try to stick it into the corner and see if I can keep it standing up. Sometimes they do flop just a little bit. So I have my little dragon from Five Below. I'm going to put Paco. I love birds so much. It's a common theme in my collection. And this one says besties on it. So I'm going to pop that right there. Next I have Cookie. And she says forever. So besties forever. I'm going to fix them from falling over. And we have another dragon. Again with that same weird body shape. It's just hard to keep them up. But we are going to figure it out. The lighting is a little bit dark here, but that's what that row looks like. I think it looks pretty good. Now we're going to move on to the last row, and then we're going to do the very top, which I'm thinking I can fit maybe some 12-inch ones up here. We'll see. Alrighty. I have another dragon, and it has Sweet on it. I forgot where I got this from. Probably from Learning Express, which is a toy shop, but it's a little bit pricey, so I don't really go there that often anymore. And then I got this cutie pie from the Valentine's Day collection, and I got this at Walgreens. And then we have Avery, which I also picked up from Walgreens. So I think that's how I'm going to keep these. Sorry about the lighting. It is so dark, and it's another gloomy day. I think they look pretty cute. I think that's it. So now we have these 3 rows ready. You can see all my other Squishmallow and just actually other Build-A-Bears and stuff here. So we're going to focus on the top now. So we have Balana again. This is from Claire's. We're going to put her front and center because the cows are always my favorite Squishmallow. So we're going to put her there. Then we're going to put Connor from the Five Below drop right here. Cow, cow. And then right there, I think we're going to put another cow. Here she is, again from the Five Below drop. A total cutie pie. And there we have it. These 3 are all done and I am so excited. They're so cute. So these two are done. Now we're gonna do this cube set. This is from Target. Again, this was $25. I think it was like $30 with tax. Not a bad price in my opinion. I'm gonna double some up in here, so I'm gonna hide some of them. Just because, again, I don't have space to have everything front and center. But I think it'll still be good. I already know what's gonna go on the top, so let's just do that right now. That's gonna be this beautiful Minnie Mouse that I got. $30. I got this at the IKEA mall. That's not the exact name, but there's a mall in Long Island that contains an IKEA, and that's what I always refer to it as because I have no idea what it's called. I very rarely get to go to Long Island, but anytime I do go, I usually find some really good Squishmallow finds, just like this pair right here. So this was from Halloween of 2021. Correct me if I'm wrong though, because I wasn't collecting Squishmallow at the time, but I saw these and they were beautiful. They also had the Sanrio ones, but they were $50 and you can still get them for a lot less. I want to do a whole video about how I found these, price breakdowns, and what else I saw because I did vlog that day. So I'm going to leave that for another video, but absolutely adorable. I love them. Now we can fill this back piece right here. So I'm just going to stick Maui here. I love her, but she is just... we can cover her up. It's going to be fine. I'm going to put Flounder right in front because I love Flounder. I got this at Walgreens. And then we're going to put this one right here. I got this at Target from Easter, like during the Easter months. And it is so cute. It's such a cute bunny. So she's going to go by herself in there. Then we're going to put, so just like I hid Maui there, I'm going to hide two plushies here that are not squishables. We got a Plague Doctor. I don't know if any of you are familiar with Squishables and not Squishmallow. These are amazing. I think they're so beautiful, and I will eventually find a nice place for him because I do have the Plague Nurse as well. But for now, I'm just going to tuck him in here, and I'm going to put this one right in front. This is from Toy Story, the little aliens. They are so cute. That's going to be there until I can figure something out. And then for this one, I'm going to put the Lion King. This is from the Broadway show. It's cute. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. And it was super duper overpriced. This was like $80. And in front of it, we're going to put a Squishmallow. We're going to put this Hello Kitty burger one. This is a part of a new line of Squishmallows. It's not super new, but for some reason, I haven't been able to find these in Manhattan yet. But these are only like $12.99. They're a very reasonable price, and she's snacking on a hamburger. All right, there you have it. I filled this all up, and I am not mad about it. So we went through 3 furniture pieces. The room is coming together. I still have a bunch of Squishmallow in bags and stuff that I have to kind of figure out what I'm going to do, as well as like Build-A-Bears and things. But we're getting there. We're making progress, so I'm super excited about that. All right, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. It has been quite the journey, and it's also doesn't help that I'm filming this in summertime, so I am boiling. There's studio lights everywhere. These windows are small, so I am really feeling the heat right now. But if you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe because that really helps out this channel perform better for the YouTube algorithm that is consistently changing on me. But yeah, stay safe out there. Let me know how you're feeling, and until next time, bye.